Guys, since you've been learning about living things and non-living things this week, I thought for my video, I would come outside today and we would take a walk around my backyard and look for things that are living and not living. So if you remember from those videos that you've been watching, a living thing is something that needs nutrients or food to sustain life. That means people, we're living because we need to eat food. Animals are living because they need to eat food. Trees and bushes and plants are living things because even though they can't eat food like you and I do, they still need nutrients that they get from the ground. We also need sunlight and water. So those are kind of the things that you need if you're living. You need to have sunlight, you need to have water, and you need to have food or nutrients to survive. Now, I was going to say the other thing is that you need to be able to move, but we know that plants don't always move because they have their roots, but their seeds float in the air and that's how they can reproduce. And that's another thing is called reproducing. It's when trees or animals or people have offspring or babies, and being able to reproduce means you're living. So all those things mean you're living. Now, if you don't need water or you don't need air to breathe or food to eat and you don't reproduce, those things are called non-living. So obviously, I'm a living being because I need food to eat. I need air to breathe. I need water to drink. So as I go down the steps, I'm going to show you the steps that I just came down off my deck. That's not living. It's not living because it doesn't need food, it doesn't need air, and it doesn't need water. All right, so let's look down here. All right. If you look down, you see flowers and grass. Now, those flowers and grass are living things. They're plants. They need things to live. Let's see if you can look over there on my, don't know if you can see, on my deck. There's a puppy. That puppy is a living thing. It needs food, it needs water, it needs air. All right, I'm going to come over here and I'm going to turn you around. There is a shed with tractors, there's a trampoline, and there's a tree. The tree is a living thing. The shed with the tractors and the broken trampoline, those are not living things. The tree needs air, it needs water, it needs nutrients. The shed, the tractors, and the trampolines do not need any of that. As we go, we can see there's my neighbor's cars. Those are not living things. I don't see any birds or squirrels or bunnies hopping around, but they hop around in my backyard sometimes. And if you would see a bird or a squirrel or a bunny, then you would know those are living things because they can move, they need food, and they need air. So these are some of the things that you might see around your house that are living and non-living, or when you take a walk to the park, or when you go outside. I also know that there are bees flying around. Bees are living things, and butterflies are living things. One of my favorite snacks, ice cream, not a living thing. So I want you to look around, and I want you to find those things that are living and non-living. And those things that are living or non-living most likely are going to be nouns too. So see, we can combine science and reading together because you can see that things are living and non-living, but most of those things are nouns. All right, guys, have a great day. Enjoy the weather. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.